Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Welcome to the online class. Today we will learn new chapter in English, chapter number 14, a lesson for all. Student, this is drama based chapter. In this chapter there are so many characters are given. Let's see what are the characters. Newspaper boy. See, newspaper boy, a milkman, a hawker. Hawker means a vegetable seller. School bus driver, Dr. Sawant, Mrs. Patel, who is a housewife. Mr. Desai, who is a businessman. Mayor of the town, Mrs. Joshi, a housewife. Nidhi and Madhu, who are Mrs. Joshi's daughters, who are going who are school going girls, and some animals are also in their character: rabbit, deer, peacock, squirrel, bear, birds, and tortoise. So let's see. A street early in the morning. The street is littered with plastic bags, cartons, tins, cans, broken glasses, old tires, waste paper balls, bags, and other garbage. Cartons. Cartons means a box made from see. Cartons means a box made from a thick cardboard for storing goods. Garbage, waste material or unwanted material that we throw away. So this is the scene of a street where so many garbage, waste materials are there. Then enter first character. The character name is Mr. Desai. Mr. Desai, looking out into the distance. Why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on the time today? It's 9 o'clock. Almost time to leave for my office. Looks out again. Let me ask the Patels if they have received their copy. Here, the person, Mr. Desai, who is waiting for the newspaper, that till 9 o'clock in the morning the newspaper didn't received by Mr. Desai. So he decided to ask his neighbor Patels to ask that whether they received the copy of the newspaper. Goes into the wing and returns with Mrs. Patel. Here is another character, Mrs. Patel. No, Mr. Desai, the newspaper boy hasn't delivered the paper as yet, nor has our milkman turned up. Mr. Patel is so grumpy. He is waiting for his morning cup of tea. What Mrs. Patel said when Mr. Desai asked that, she said she even don't receive the newspaper, nor milkman has come to their place. Mr. Patel is angry. Mr. Patel was grumpy. Grumpy means annoyed. Her husband was very angry and annoyed. He is waiting for the morning cup of tea because the milkman has didn't turn up. So because of that, he did not get the morning tea. Mr. Desai, very strange. And look, the street is in is simply shocking. He addressing to the street and tell Mrs. Patel that, isn't it very strange? The looks like is very strange and shocking. Mrs. Patel, my word, what's this? Where did all this litter and garbage come from? Mrs. Patel then said to Mr. Desai, oh my god, what is this? There are so many garbage. Where did all this come from? Then enter Mrs. Joshi with her daughter. Mr. Desai, I returned rather late from the office last night and the street was bare then. How did all this rubbish gather here tonight? Mr. Desai said when he came from the office last night the street was very clean. But from overnight, where did all this rubbish or garbage come from? Suddenly, Madhu falls and injures her foot, gives out a cry of pain. That time, Madhu falls and injures her foot. Madhu, oh, ouch, my foot, it hurts. She says, because of hurting, he, she was in a pain and crying because of that hurt. Mrs. Joshi, oh dear Madhu, are you all right? Oh no, her foot is bleeding so much. Somebody help, please. Mrs. Joshi said, oh my dear, are you all right? Are you okay? And see, her foot is bleeding, and she is very worried about her and ask for the help. Mrs. Patel, Nidhi, run and fetch Dr. Mrs. Sawant. Request her to come quickly. Your sister has cut herself on a broken glass bottle. That time Mrs. Patel said to the Nidhi that go and run and call call Dr. Mrs. Sawant and request her to come quickly as Madhu has cut herself on a broken glass bottle. Mr. Desai, I'll get some ice at once. Mr. Desai says that I'll go and bring some ice for that. Mrs. Joshi, almost in tears. My poor child, how did all this broken glass happen to be here? Mrs. Desai was Mrs. Joshi also comes into tears. Tears comes in her eye and saying, "Oh my poor child, Madhu, that how did all this broken glass happen to be here?" And ask all the people that how it comes that the broken glass come in the street. Mrs. Patel, look around. It's not just broken glass, but means Mrs. Patel said that there is not only a broken glass is there, but also there are so many garbage and litter around street. Mrs. Joshi, dear me, what nonsense this is! Unbelievable! Where has all this rubbish come from? Mrs. Joshi says, "Okay, what's this nonsense? It is unbelievable. It's not. I'm not able to believe that how and where from this all the garbage come from." Dr. Sawant enters with Nidhi. She has a doctor's kit. At that time, new character enter in this drama uh, named Dr. Sawant with Nidhi, and she has Dr. Kit with herself. Dr. Sawant, let me see the wound. Mr. Desai, here some ice to stop the bleeding. While seeing the wound by Dr. Sawant, that time Mr. Desai came with the ice to stop the bleeding of for bleeding of Madhu's feet. Dr. Sawant, what presence of mind! Good. Applies ice on the wound. There now, it has stopped bleeding. It's a deep cut. I will dress the wound and she will be fine. Student, presence of mind. Presence of mind means ability to remain calm and take quick and sensible action. So that time Dr. Sawant says to Mr. Desai that What a presence of mind you have. Good. It's too good to apply ice on the wound. It helps to stop the bleeding, but it has a deep cut. So she has to dress the wound and she will be fine. Mr. Joshi, thank you, doctor. So kind of you to come at once. But I am going to complain to the mayor. Have you seen the rubbish and the litter on the road? Mrs. Joshi, mother of Madhu, says thank you to the Dr. Sawant and says you are so kind that you have come at only once. But she will go to the mayor and complain about this garbage that there are so many garbage and litter on the road. Dr. Sawant, oh, it's a mystery. All this garbage was not there yesterday, and now just look. That time Dr. Sawant also added this, okay, oh, it's a mystery that we don't know at the overnight from where did all this rubbish and garbage come from. Yesterday there was no garbage at all. Enter newspaper boy, milkman, hawker, etc. That time few more characters enter into this drama. The newspaper boy, milkman and hawker. Mrs. Patel, the mayor must not have seen. Look, the newspaper boy. He is limping. And the milkman at last. To the milkman, where's your bicycle and why are you so late? Mrs. Patel said that even the mayor must not have seen all this rubbish. Now that time when entering the newspaper boy, he is addressing to the newspaper, look, the newspaper boy, he is limping. Limping, that means walking with difficulty because of injured leg or foot. So why the newspaper boy coming late? Because he his foot got injured. And the milkman at last, and that time milkman is also came, and addressing to the milkman she asked, where's your bicycle and why you are so late? Then milkman, what he replied or what he said, the tires were punctured. I had to come walking all the way with this heavy milk cane. Why the milkman was late? Because her bicycle's tires were punctured. He had to come walking all the way with the heavy milk canes. Then newspaper boy. And I tripped over an old tire and sprained my foot. Tripped. Sorry. Tripped means slip or fell. And sprain means a wrench or twist of the ligaments of joint. Why he was limping? Because he fell over the old tire and there was a sprain in his foot. It was quite dark early this morning. Because of darkness in the early morning, he did not able to see anything and fell and hurt his foot. I did not expect an old tire right in the middle of the road. The newspaper boy says that he did not expect an old tire that that is in the right in the middle of the road. Mr. Desai, I see something must be done. Bus driver enters carefully, avoiding the litter. So that time who enters? The new character? The bus driver. Mrs. Joshi. I am sorry, I can't drive the school bus today. On every road and street there is nothing but litter. It looks like an obstacle race course. Bus driver says Mrs. Joshi that he was sorry that he cannot drive the school bus today because there are so many litters or garbage all over the road and street. Obstacle race means a race in which runners have to climb over, under, or through a series of obstacles. Mrs. Joshi, I know I am going to send for the mayor at once. He must see this. Our children are not safe with all these dangerous broken objects around. Mrs. Joshi says she will go to the mayor and tell about everything because their children are not safe with all these dangerous broken objects around the street. Hawkers, no one is safe. Let's request the mayor to come and see for himself. Then Hawker said that no one is safe here. We have to go. We have to go and request to the mayor that he has to come and see for himself. Mr. Desai, I will fetch him. He said, I will bring him, and he exit. Enters again with the mayor and he is retiring. That time the Mr. Desai came with the mayor. Mayor, annoyed, unbelievable, shocking. How do you expect people to walk through all this rubbish? Why don't you all dispose of the garbage properly? Mayor did not know anything and he got very angry and said it's very unbelievable and shocking that how can someone expect that people to walk through all this rubbish on the road. He addressed to all the people and asked that why you don't all dispose of the garbage properly. Mrs. Patel, but we do, Mr. Mayor. We give our garbage to the garbage collector. On the mayor's angry, he angry and asked to the people about the garbage. But that time Mrs. Patel said, "We do. We dispose the garbage properly." And because they give all the garbage to the garbage collector, they didn't throw all this garbage on the road. Mrs. Joshi, yes, we don't litter our street like this. On this, Mr. Joshi also says that they don't litter all the streets like this. Mr. Desai, or we take it to the dumping ground near the river. Near the river side, away from here. The rains then wash it away. Then Mr. Desai also added that they take all the garbage to the dumping ground near the river side, away from here, means away from the road. The rains then wash it away. Mrs. Patel, or the winds blow it away. Maybe the winds may blow all the garbage to the street away. Mayor, then how did come back into the town overnight? But the mayor asked that how is it possible that all the garbage and rubbish come back into the town overnight itself? Bus driver, that's the problem. Nobody knows how it got here. It's a mystery. Bus driver says it's a very big problem because we don't know how it got here. It's a mystery. Newspaper boy, it looks like someone has done it purposely to spoil our town. Newspaper boy said maybe someone did it purposely because that people wants to spoil their town. Mrs. Joshi, and endanger our children. Endanger means to put someone in danger for being harmed. Milkman, and hinder our daily work. Hinder means to limit the ability of someone to do something. Mayor, we will not tolerate this. I must look into this. I will not spare anyone who has done this. Who is responsible for this mess? Mr. Mayor was very angry and he said he will not we will they that they all will not tolerate this. He must look into this matter, and he will not spare, or he will not leave anyone who has done this, who may be responsible for this all mess. Then enter animals who have been hiding. Who are they? They are deer, rabbit, birds, squirrel, bears, etc. Each one comes out from its cover turn by turn, saying, that time all the animals character entering into this drama one by one. Animals, we are responsible. We have brought in all the litter. We have spread the garbage all over the town. Who are the responsible for this? All animals. Animal says that they are the responsible. They have brought all this garbage all over the town. Deer. Deer says, yes, we confess. We did so. Deer says, yes, we agree. We confessing that we did all this mess. Mayor. What? You? How dare you? Mr. Mayor says that, how dare you? How can you do this? Mrs. Joshi, what right do you have to spoil our town and make it unsafe to move around? Mr. Joshi also asked all the animals that, what right, means what right do the animals have to spoil their town and make it unsafe to move around? Bear comes forward. So, among all the animals, bear comes forward and says, we have only brought back to you what belongs to you. Tell me, what right do you have to dump all this in the forest? The forest in our dwelling place. Bear says, we have only brought back all the things that belongs to you only. Now you tell me, what right do you people have to dump all this in our forest? The forest are our dwelling place. Birds, our trees are dying and vanishing because of you. Where can we roost or build nest? Roost means to rest or to go to sleep somewhere. Birds also says that our trees are dying and destroying because of you only, because of you people only. Where we can rest or where we can go to sleep or build our nest? Squirrel, and where can we live? Then squirrel also asked to all this person, humans, that where can they live? Rabbit, you are worried about Madhu being injured because of sharp broken glass. Don't our young ones get injured too? Rabbit asked to all the humans that you are only worried about Madhu that being injured because of the sharp broken glass. What about our young ones? What about our children that get injured too? Dear, yes, and we have no doctor to dress their wounds. Our young ones simply die. Deer says, yes, we don't have the doctors to dress their wounds. But our young ones can maybe simply die. Madhu and Nidhi. Oh no, how shocking and terrible. Tortoise. All the fish in the rivers and lakes dies because of the waste dumped in water. How we suffer because of this chemical and poison. Tortoise also asked to all the humans that all the fish and rivers and lakes die because of the waste whatever dumped in the water. How we suffer because of this chemical and poisons. Beer, and so many animals who drink the polluted water fall ill and die. Beer says additionally that what and so many animals who drink this polluted water. Polluted means dirty water. Okay, what about those animals who drink this polluted or dirty water? They may fall ill and die. Dr. Savant, yes, it is unfortunately true. Doctor says yes, but it's true. Peacock. So we called a meeting and decided to return all your dangerous stuffs back to you. We don't need it. Then Peacock says that we all animals called a meeting and decided to return all your dangerous stuffs back to you, all human. We don't need it. Bear, anyway, we were not as cruel as you are. We have only returned the garbage. We have not poured chemical and poisons onto your settlements. Bear says, anyway, we are not cruel like you human. We have only returned the garbage that you put into our forest in our house. But we have not poured or mixed any chemical and poisons onto your settlements. Mayor, I see. You animals and birds do have a point. You are right. Mr. Mayor says that he understands that all that animals and birds have the point in their saying. They all are right. Mr. Desai, you have opened our eyes. We should not dump rubbish in the forest or rivers or lakes. Mr. Desai says that you animals have opened our eyes that we should not dump rubbish and garbage in the forest, lake or rivers. Mrs. Patel, but where can we dispose of it? Then Mrs. Patel asked, but where we can dispose or throw all this garbage. Mayor, if you all agree to sort out the litter, I will arrange for it to be collected separately. Then some of it can go for processing and some for recycling. Processing means preparing, changing, or treating raw material as a part of an industrial operation. Mr. Mayor says, if you all agree to sort out or to solve this, to sort out these later, that he will arrange to collect separately all these garbages and then send it to, and then some of it can means from all this garbage, some of can be sent for processing for the industrial operation and some for recycling. Recycling means collecting and treating rubbish to produce useful material which can be used again. Mr. Joshi, good idea. Let's do just that. Let's do just that. Mayor, let us save our Mother Earth from further harm to the animals. Thank you, dear animals, for teaching us a lesson so effectively. We assure you we will not pollute or spoil your homes. I shall even warn those who go there for picnics. Mr. Mayor said, let us save our Mother Earth. Let us save our earth for further or from future harm. And addressing to the animals, they says thank you to all the animals that they taught us a lesson so effectively. Assure means to make something certain to happen. Mr. Mayor assure all the animals that they will not pollute or spoil their animals' home, or he shall even warn those people who go there for picnic. Some animals. Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Thank you. They return. At that time, the some animals says thank you to Mr. Mayor and returns. Mayor, self-help is the best help. Let's clear this up. All including the mayor start picking up the litter. Mayor says self-help is the best help. And by saying this, he starts clearing all the mess including all the character who starts picking up the litter. So students, what we have understood from this lesson, we have to keep our surrounding clean. We should not pollute our environment, our mother earth, because it's very harmful for human as well as animals. I hope you all understood this lesson. Till then, take care. Thank you. Jazakallah.